Massive house fire in the community of Kencot. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Firefighters were kept busy yesterday battling a massive house fire in the community of Kencot, located off Linders Road in St. Andrew. Thick plumes of smoke and intense flames were seen rising from the property as emergency crew worked tirelessly to bring the blaze under control. Residents had gathered nearby watching anxiously as firefighters battled the blaze. Motorists and pedestrians were advised to avoid the area due to traffic in the area and also the thick plumes of smoke. Up to the publication of this report, the cause of the fire remains unknown. It's not immediately clear whether or not the building was insured. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have a subsequent report to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.